What's up, Dad Life community? Welcome back to my channel. It's been kind of a dreary, wet day again here in South Florida. I don't know what's up with this weather in October. We usually have some nice weather. It starts cooling off a little bit, not too much in South Florida, but once again we've had a lot of rain. So we were sitting around talking, wanting to know what we were going to do about dinner, and we decided on some comfort food just to kind of help us out with this dreary Saturday weather day we got here. So today on the Blackstone Griddle, we're going to do some grilled cheese and tomato soup. All right, to do our tomato soup, we're going to use the 5-quart cast iron skillet that I got. I'm just going to place it right on here. And we're going to start off with half a cup of butter. So we just want to melt the butter down. And once I get the butter melted down, I'm going to go ahead and add half a cup of basil. And we're going to use fresh basil for this tomato soup. All right, so we're adding in our basil, the half a cup of basil, and we're just going to add this basil in here and just saute it in. Now that the basil's in there, we're going to go ahead and add a teaspoon of the minced garlic. So you can see that our basil is cooking up nicely with our butter and minced garlic. We're going to go ahead and add our 2 cans of 28-ounce crushed tomatoes. Looks like the neighbors are having some fun over there tonight. Stir this in pretty good here. All right, so our tomato soup's cooking up pretty good. I'm going to get some salt and pepper in here. Whoa! Got a little splash there from the soup. All right, so we just finished up with our about 20 minutes of this simmering. We're going to move this over here to the cooler side. I have this burner off, as you can see. This burner is off on this side. And we're going to let it sit and cool down a little bit, and then I'm going to grab my immersion blender and I'm going to blend that tomato soup up, and I'm going to add my half and half. All right, so I have my Braun immersion blender here, and I'm going to go ahead and puree the tomato soup. The good thing about cooking underneath our gazebo is we have our electric hooked up, so here we go. Just make sure you're careful when you are using an electrical product near your Blackstone griddle that you don't get the cord on top of the griddle, because that could be dangerous. As you can see, I'm just moving the immersion blender all around. You can see the little pieces of basil are breaking up in there. This tomato soup is looking awesome. Look at that. All right, so our soup is almost done. I'm going to go ahead and start buttering up my bread to get my grilled cheese going. I am using the original Crunchy Crock butter. It's soft, it's very easily spreadable, and hopefully it'll work out pretty good here. All right, let's get this started. I got a couple helping hands here tonight. My wife Selena and my daughter Caitlin. And then of course we have Savannah behind the camera. And I am going to add an egg to mine. So let me get this broken up over here. I've been told that they want more cheese. Cheese, cheese, cheese. So while this grilled cheese is starting, I'm going to go ahead and open up my half and half, and I'm going to add it to the tomato soup. I'm adding one quart of half and half. Of course, I'm going to stir it all around. Let me check on my egg here. All right, let's see how this bread is looking. All right, we need to start building these grilled cheese. All right, so this one is going to be for my daughter Savannah, and this one is going to be for my wife. And this one over here, it's going to be for me. And I'm adding tomato and some honey maple glazed ham, or some honey maple ham from Boar's Head. And then my daughter and my wife also would like some beautiful avocado on theirs. And on top of mine, I'm going to add this fried egg. I know it sounds a little different, but it's on a Blackstone griddle. You got to do different things. And this one here is my daughter's. And she did not want anything. She just wanted a simple grilled cheese sandwich. Look at that. Not burned at all. These grilled cheese off so we don't burn them. Ooh, that's a big one right there. That thing's heavy. Thank you, honey. All right, and we're gonna go ahead and take our tomato soup in. Look at that tomato soup, everyone. That looks really good. Let's go try it out. Okay, I'm gonna get myself some of this awesome tomato soup here. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and add a little shredded Parmesan cheese to my soup. I mean, why not? We've been having all kinds of cheese here with the grilled cheese, and now some more cheese in the soup. All right, let's give this soup a little taste here. Very good. I think I need one more taste. Really good. Now, this is what I want to try. So, here you have a grilled cheese with the Boar's Head honey maple ham, a fried egg, and a tomato. And of course, several slices of American cheese. That is really, really good. I hope my family loves the rest of these grilled cheese sandwiches. Hey everybody, I want to thank you all for stopping in and checking out Dad Life channel. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down on the bottom. Ring that notification bell so you don't miss a video. Everybody, have a good night. Keep on griddling.